Welcome to Controls Explorer. In this video, we will show you how do you add a new screen and a screen navigation push button in Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus. What we have today is a Panel View Plus 7 HMI of Allen Bradley and Factory TalkView Studio. So let's begin here. We are going to duplicate a screen, so let's select 01 motor control, right click and duplicate. Now give a name to the new screen. Right over here I'm just changing to 02 motor control. Let's close the original screen motor control and open the new screen that is 02 motor control. Give a new name as a heading to this new screen. Now we are going to create some new or reassign screen navigation push button. So let's select main, right click, properties. And right over here you see it's already assigned as a main, which you are going to change it, say for example motor control, or you can select any screen from this window. So we selected as a motor control, hit apply, and right over here instead of main, since it is reassigned to motor control, so let's type the correct name, motor control. Now get rid of all the unnecessary items and let's open original motor control page and reassign a navigation push button which will connect to the new screen. So you just select alarm, copy and paste navigation push button. Over here, select the new screen that is 02 motor control, select it, hit OK, go to the level, type the new name and then apply OK. Next, we are going to align all these push button and space it evenly. So first select them all, then you select align top. Again, you select them all and you now select space horizontal. So these are now currently spaced equally horizontally and their tops are aligned. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email ID techsupport@controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Once again, thank you so much and bye now.